Why are you people doing exactly what you are condemning? Yeah? From Goma Deveraho, I saw the live video Okongu Dibia did today. Imagine. Ogechi Okeke Njaka. The answer is no. Ogechi na Jpac yafa. Iwola akago. Jekwapo Ogechi yafa. Echi ni nekita. Ogechi putakwa kwa ndị mmadụ asị ne unu na-achọ okwu. Unu na-achọ okwu. You people are looking for trouble. If ahụ unu eme unu na ọ ya adụ mma, nye ka unu na-eme mmadụ. Unu sị na ndụ nọ here now, mana ahama afọ ihu anya. Ahama afọ ihu anya na afọ ihu m.
Okay, hello.
Okay. Yeah. I think it's better now.
Can we talk? Can plug up?
We'll talk.
Yeah.
Ono so na Jpac ji aka pụọla onwe ndị ụka gbawa mgba. Yeah. Now,
I think it's better now.
Yes, now this guy ji aka pụọla onwe. He has never denied receiving any assistance for you people. Keripunu na chosi kono na drag to the point. Governor Eziokwu batakwa na the matter. Governor Eziokwu, are you a follower of Mathias? You put out what can them onye my brother, but for the sake of just like into Ogechi Okeke, I have always advised people to always leave emotion and sentiment, and always speak to fact. The fact remains that a pastor that pastor made a whole lot of injustice to you. Your case should be against that pastor and not the church. Pastor.
Yes.
So that's exactly the problem. I just want the mother. In the church, shopota na church ya he neje as a representative that particular thing in a shop in the Christendom. Leave that church, go and seek for the face of God elsewhere. You want to go?
I like a lot. Yeah, I like a lot.
So they make mistake. Your personal experience with your pastor or with the congregation where you are worshiping, you will generalize here the whole Christianity.
And that was
where
I made a mistake. Yes.
And the other now, why I'm talking about Eziokwu, I have always said, see what ndo omenala bai, see agụkọzina ha as ndo omenala bụ Eziokwu, see na akpọ ha ndo otu Mathias, because na ndo enwere ndị na-eme ezigbo omenala bai, enwere ndị nwere ezigbo ndị ọdịnala bai, they cannot be ridiculed by associating them together with Mathias. So on that particular one, you made a mistake, but I am not here to talk about Christianity or to talk about omenala bụ Eziokwu or to talk about whatever thing. I am here to help you to use my platform to reach out to people na threat mmadu issue to you. Ka ụwa niile wee nuo nuwu. Mana I am assuring you that there is nothing he can do. Nkota na ata ada agboja. I want you to get used to their threat. I want you to get used to their noise. These are a group of people that like making noise without any actions. Do not allow them to intimidate you. You have a reason why you came out. According to you, you came out to speak about so many injustices men are passing through. There are also people who are advocating for injustice women are passing through in marriages. So if you are out to use your platform to lend a voice to some men who are now silently in their marriages, it is not a bad thing. And I understand that that was the main thing that took you to break up the family. Forget the fact that the man who is involved there is a pastor. He is a man. He committed the sin or committed against you, if that is true, out of his own decision. It wasn't the church that sent him. The Bible, in any way in the Bible, condemned the action of that pastor if it happened. So that pastor is answerable to himself and not the church. Even his congregation cannot answer for his sin. If what you have come out to do is to use your platform to condemn injustice, not minding whichever part. I saw the video you made today where you were tendering apology. You said also that living a coup, I heard where you talk about pastors and you said not all pastors are bad, but those who are bad among them. You also talked about Nde Omenana and Nde Nemefa, except that not all of them are bad, but you are talking about Nde the bad. Nimeha. Do not allow them to intimidate you. That is the only weapon they have. If we can succumb to their intimidation, you will see Ezugo here. We started seeing it a long time ago. So, ya nnukwu olu again. Ka ịgbakwa ndị mmadụ ife Governor Eziokwu gwara for record purpose. But I am telling you here, do not allow all those empty noise to here and there to deter you. Otherwise, people like us will not be here in this blue app. I am not telling you to join us. I saw your video and I copied your video and I posted your video. I used your video to make a video post, and I never even saw where you posted. You commented on your was it on your you posted it on your page. Ezugo, I am giving you 24 hours to pull down that video you make. How can you make a video without acknowledging you? I did not see it until when somebody tagged me na that video. When I posted the second video, I tagged you on Odo Serial. You kept, because I saw that video na Odo Serial. It was even after I saw that video that I noticed that Ijowa had also posted that video again, posted one of your video. Yeah. I posted mine before I saw it that Ijowa a post to go here even before Mwa Webia post to it. So them saying that Nando Kapuro, that is very ridiculous. It is ridiculous saying that Nando Kapuro, for what? They have decided to divide an Igbo along ethnic line, along the religious line, and we are not going to allow them. So I am not telling you to come and join us or do whatever thing you are doing. Do not allow anybody to intimidate you. Oh no, do not be scared of anybody. But I'm giving you that security today. Yes.
Thank you very much.
So tell people now, Kelu encounter Governor Eziokwu Melu. Thank God you are now on the screen and not on a phone call. Tell people your encounter with Governor Eziokwu, since no one make it threat first before we now go back to Ndobe and Abu Eziokwu. Kelu encounter Governor
after I watch Governor Eziokwu, I know the rules. Thank you. I watched live Governor Eziokwu about me but to do mercy. I see Governor Eziokwu to nothing and you can mego. That na mmechakwa disappoint and you can mego and more. Ndi you can you £1. Onwe kono sim puta bia koye mkuru. I'm an adult and I have the right equal as far as I did not break anybody's fundamental human rights. Secondly, Mona Mathias, Mathias now for their activities I thought they had good intention towards the Igbo nation, but
let me ask you again for the purpose of clarity. Let me ask you again for the purpose of clarity. They said that you were never part of them, that the only time you came to them was when you came to them for help. But you said that you have been following Mathias and whatever thing he is doing since 2021. I want you to clarify on that part.
I have proof to that. And before they removed me from the WhatsApp group, I have a screenshot of my membership on the WhatsApp group. So I have proof of that.
Oh, they
I have
even added you to their WhatsApp group.
I was part of the WhatsApp group. They added me when they find out that when I decided I start disagreeing with them with some of the activities, like Ijebowa mad attack. I so now at that time I with WhatsApp group on Ababia. Like I told Ogechi now. I be asking Bawa war. I know about mad war. Like
Na saga. Antioge, all the serious, okay, they take you one after the other. Antioge. Him and I made a video severally. Who make this WhatsApp group, Hana no wela alu oli. But they said that we are the one who are doing whatever. Antioge though, on the WhatsApp group, you know, and one WhatsApp group, and one WhatsApp group,
my Toge war na Facebook or block or my Toge block or my block.
Antioge, only 1 month to money on ano. Aya yeku na phone. So, all for him with them WhatsApp group,
She provide the other WhatsApp group.
Though Kaina Boyogu, Kaina Boy Eban Saga.
That WhatsApp group, with my brother also block.
My Toge, when I told Ogechi like this before, my followers here, my issue of Mathias Ezeaku, all of the one they block on my page. That I didn't use empty that it's all and Toga Manchester. They use empty that in my page. On my page, I change the name to that gang. Cause Facebook we can release my Facebook. Here now have MC Dark Lips. And them back then only post I told me Basara Zion Mbayawa, and that time this pressure of my case on the Okuko can no be seriously like can they wouldn't do based on Ian Gabigir Nakadama because the man's training man Mababo mess before Major Abuja. The case we don't have Benue State before Moje na the case had a from Benue because the man be well connected within the police Benue. I have to go to the family. And spend the career go shop Magu Bidonishi after the case come was the Benin Republic from Benin Gawa Togo and came my brother because I was really depressed at that moment. And just to recover now stars to Nigeria of recent Urube do anything now stars to Nigeria. Lose everything as working. So can as Namadu could move one era. Even Unduka Dizika because this is Mazemaka Benin in Duka. Man activities Mathias to me. I'm an adult and don't ever madu sigi no talk or I don't make sure I have the right to walk out.
Yes.
So give me kind of me when I WhatsApp group now. Kono bawa war.
I say into my man I for them may post yeah social media so I told me who had this so indicting. I for them no attack like speak against that person. But I ask you to win my dear or jail Saba Madog. Just to be a social media, how will I
put that there and I couldn't hear me Hegana.
Yeah,
you know, now look so
nice. Oh, no, about the one we have to like so singing and do Cameron can and do Cameron cause. Most of that is just to call people's attention. Even when they want to emotional blackmail. He's just using emotion to attack people. Knowingly, most of the time the wrong, which we know.
Okay.
Not the wrong. Because you can't blame church for everything. I'm not talking on my own. Yes, I was a victim, but I try to use that my experience to encourage other men to speak out. Let me go interview with Udu. Let me go interview with Doni. Oh, yeah, now we won't get none of Lagos. I just came out from Lagos on Sunday. Let me interview with
Chele anyway. Onye marenji same Ezubo kewe. You don't shop today. Onye marenji penalty anyway. Gabaniru o.
But the way that
and that is where I want to come in before Igbo Channels TV. Now, Antioge, Igbo Channels. Nando, I will keep repeating it. Half an Nando can behave terror and the risk organization. Nando can behave can the court. that you cannot say anything about Ndoka or their pastors without them reacting and coming after you. Now I keep asking again, I go man to again. Kerife this guy Imeru, Kerife this guy Imeru, Hana Jure Tiki. Now Hana, this guy, part of few people, he decided that what is happening is not what he bargained for. He decided to leave. And the Mopul who decided to exercise his right by pointing out what is bad and what is not right. Now, on fear that he wasn't supposed to talk about Matthias, he wasn't supposed to refer to you people. Only a moment make more than how many videos about this guy. Matthias address go this guy. Waja address go this guy. A lot of onye nke kusie n'isi, onye nke gwọla ajụ. Every minute, yeah, every minute, yeah. Now,
Small boy, why not TV?
Now, Governor Eziokwu apụta agbana. I don't know the interest of onye nke ahụ. Ịma na ha decide siri na ha brandigo onwe ha enemy of ndị ụka. So if all na happy na ndị ụka dey involved, ọ na mụ share video this guy yo. I did not discuss anything with this guy. I only carried video of this guy etu ha sikwa eje ebulu video ndị mmadụ na-ebutekwa njekwa bụrụ video this guy. Ọ nye ka ha ji wee golu case this guy kịta wee decide ya na ha ncha niile ya nọ on his rock. My brother, let me advise you before you never name. Let me.
The first I have for my people, I join a WhatsApp group now. See, oh no, bro, this guy I ain't gonna go be here. So Mua say no Mua, and that I'm not comfortable with the activities going on this platform anymore.
Let me advise you. Let me advise you. You told me the dream you have that brought you to Facebook, right?
Yes.
Use this opportunity. Haji Emegeli Fahane Emegeli. Build your platform and pursue that dream. Forget about empty noise. Hane Emegi. Haji Atalo. And Yogi. I don't know how we'll say Haji Atala Yakayano.
Especially
because in an I told because Nalabang Barana Banya, oh, blood amanku, one number because by Alabamo, work for them.
My brother, I have a work apology because now, call a little Kayasana in the go, he just will be able to discuss your issue. Because we watching in a Bahan Ezuko, Ogechi Okeke, you are welcome.
I told you because yes, I
recognize it, Pangere friend. What's that?
Block come na Facebook because I joke. Block come na Facebook. Block.
They create another account. One time it's when you.
When another account now watching, man, on a come back now watching from my main page because I support all my movements.
My brother, Keki
Thank you.
Get level page you go now.
Just 2,000.
Wow, you got to go to small. Can he need to continue your broadcast? Anything you need now to make your broadcast now.
Phone man just mobile. Phone man just enough. My movement and sponsor. Lucky you listen anytime you register the funding because it's just for widowers that work na single fathers. These two group of people and they are going through a lot. So I only specialize on these two set of people.
Okay.
Now because I was one and I know what I passed through for some years. So I understand that they are not able to speak out and I want to be their voice. That is just my goal.
That's a very good one. Imam, don't borrow the pattern of Mathias, your former master, to use it in this pattern. Pattern when you let the people can use the account number if you ask me.
Yes.
How to reward anybody that is my own policy. Anybody can do it in their own way. If I want to help anybody, get your account. Except my account. Oh, when they win a grace, how use that country to her? That's okay. I'm not against it, but I don't want to because also one of the things that guy name. Oh, here give him on a play on any use kind of personal
Ojigbo
account
ndị
there.
mmadụ na-anara ike na ya
How we
nwanyere
so?
100,000 nwekwa 100,000 onye 10,000 ka Mathias nyekwa emo mana ndị mmadụ wetacha ego ọ na-eburu the glory na-asị na ya nwe emego nke a na ya nwe emego nke a. Mathias enyekwa m 100,000 na-ekwu ya
Always.
na this platform.
Ngwa ka m gwa unu ka m reveal unu ihe Mathias na-eme. Achọpụtara m this long ago.
ọgaji reverend eweniwe brother agwara m go whether na o nyere go 10,000 or na o nyere 10,000, the most important thing is that na hanwa as a group raise 60-something thousand, which is not a bad thing. That is what they preach. They said if you have problem, go to your fellow man and not God. So you had problem, you went to them and they helped you. It is not a crime.
That
So
is
what is
point.
the wrong you have done by going to them, your fellow men, to help you? 68,000.
Also,
The other day, Muna Reverend Ephraim. The other day, Muna Reverend Ephraim Jelo Ishida. I remember, as I speak to you today, I know that woman is over 2 million naira richer. I don't know the church she attend. I don't know the
that's it.
church she
That's the
attend.
spirit.
Till
Now
today,
this guy now, for the fact he be a man Eziokwu, because Eziokwu near my number, I'm a sending 50,000 naira to support
Oh,
your what's
oh,
Thank you.
so I'll send
nke a uchi
50,000.
nwunyeru.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. God
So
bless you.
just near
Thank
my
you.
number, I chat him. You go and no go. Ela hagi.
I'm Bodo Cyril, MC Dakli, Sodo Cyril.
Okay, so I'll give you 50 like na communist gonna get on.
I
Then
will use it and buy a new phone so that I'll be able to communicate very well with people. Thank you, sir.
that's fine. Here, the Mathias name people now mahabo.
Ogaji
Mathias,
Okeke, thank you, sir.
you're welcome. Ojobia a guy church before. Na cho miracle. So
yeah.
nde father man the reverend area ya mugu. So obe biele no ge iri gwara ya ha riri ya from the buy.
Yeah.
So
Oyiwego
and
na-anakọta ịka
now you
n'ofri
mege ya.
n'ọkụ na ebe ahụ ọ
Tiama.
na-anakọta ịka n'ofri
Oh, no, not that
Oh,
offering.
yes.
ọ na-anata ịka n'ofri nwekwe ka ọ dara na mụnwa na-ekwu ya na bịa pụta bịa sị na m kwuru okwu ahụ. Ọ na-anara ji a
So
na-enyekwa onyinye na chọọchị kịta.
I know some of them. So here now in the church in Napoli and the pastor Napoli and the Reverend Father Napoli, organ, you watch all of the real material now. Uno na ko na go basarunu. Okay,
Hello,
finish in
did they
the
go on it? Because
Ọ na-ere okwu ibe a na-agba n'elu isi agụ
Thank you.
aka ọ na-ere na chọọchị
hey,
ya kịta.
Thank you.
watch out very soon. Okay, we can mmiri omenala chukwu okike abịama. Okay,
Small,
very soon.
small, small. A na-ewepụta the plan. A na-ewepụta small, small ọ na-ewepụta the plan. Chee na ndị mmadụ ka ya pụta. 3 people apụtago already. One guy na-achat m. Ndị
people
mmadụ ka
that buy
na-apụta.
out. Not you got buy a wall. Watch and see.
Olube
Watch and
The
see.
guy with
mụnwa bụ the
Let me tell you,
scapegoat.
I
Mana ndị mmadụ ka ya pụta.
yes, sir.
onye amụrụ ụmụ nwoke 6
Wow.
boys. Onwe ihe ọ na-arụ. And do you think he will not do everything possible to create
So,
structures for those boys?
Exactly.
Okay,
Oh, yeah.
everything possible. Because that woman has get to little someone will help. So he
True.
has to build structures for them. He knows what he's doing.
It's very well.
All these gullible
That is it. Also affect pastors if you read them mad on your mega.
Have you ever seen an NGO group of people started? Mathias
Yeah,
Igbo love themselves and war because of Mathias.
That's what I'm saying now. I knew when this thing, I'm a pelam came in by then I was running my own before him. He came after my own.
Yes.
People who don't this thing not an obodo you bought.
That's it.
This guy has to test them out and bash get this time.
Onoshi.
Real built criminal. Onya grand style okay Onya wish he kiri.
Onoshi.
But in my own people
Everything all about the thing does know when you yourself. Mathias
no problem again. And may I work in all government problem. First, when the government or get first, who don't know
No
here?
way. No,
That guy
no
will make
church in the
coward.
total
That
pastor
guy,
name.
I want to make coward they care. In one about a video, na Port Harcourt, don't know 2 hours, 6 hours, traffic or something. What is happening? This is what is, are we not in a country? Who told you? I want to win our government, but the other government, I'm a governor send someone, I'm not, but I'm sending them mail, video. We tell them the truth, but give again, what is happening? We are stuck here for 3 hours. What is going on? Get out earlier. But I wouldn't know we are criminal. The government was a criminal now, no, because and Ganunti, I'm here, a Hona Yawa, a Honi head. One time, remember the arrest. Akwa ihe de sita mwe onye chọ na we criminal ọ ga-abi ọ ga-defend ya ihe de na yanwa any day kwa ọ ga-aga mkpọrọ ọzọ that them that please I want you to come and prove akwa uno see defamation on court let's go to court ọ ga-aga gide court agawa ya ana agwa people ga cool down na ịpụta gị si ụka na onye ọla wụ pastor onye ọla reverend father ọ criminal ikwu onye ọla nọ abroad na ọ born through away. So that Ogechi in America, up on America said, in America, you are a born through away. Mua. And tomorrow get truck and best zoa lagi. Aline, truck and be patronize lagi. Toego get now born through away.
I'm with talk also.
I'm telling you.
So because okay, I'm not sure a guy like here, but because on the most nana because those nana because this saga, I beg. Ozole biko. You win that one.
Because I'm in accept
Biko one
do you know why? Do you know why I'm angry? Do you know why I'm angry? I came out, I stated what started this problem. None of you have ever said Jpac, go and apologize to this young lady. None of you have done it.
Even if you watch a video,
apologize to this girl. None of you know, Ogechi Nobody
but when I get that video, man, only gave video. Ask him why let him gaga brukwe mother woke mother garaga brigala kambe. Dia mewe here, not them condemn otum condemn nke papage. Condemn go say ko wa ha.
The truth, Reverend, the truth is that none of them want to say anything about that because they are not interested in saying anything about that. What they are only interested is in okay. I understand where you are coming from, but I'm animal because of Anwa. That it's not that they don't know that what Jpac did at Roma, but they don't want to say it for reasons.
No, Oderanya na that Jpac they make for you. Oderanya, we they tell them but talk calculate but become na
okay. Moment of truth, moment of light. Ezeaku must be a great force to reckon with. Else it won't be the topic. Man, the pastors must be a great force to reckon with. Every day on a page, you pastors, you go Christians, you go a class not in a page. Are we not a great force to reckon with? Why are you always discussing about us? Every day, not in a platform, then I complete nonsense. Matthias must be a great force to reckon with. It must be a great. Sometimes I don't know I don't know if you are okay or not. I doubt if you are okay. I want you to
I know they talk to these people. I
don't know how you find yourself in Germany. If you do so, I just have to wait. Paper plane. Yeah. Look at somebody I will bring up on a page. Pastor this, Nigerian pastor, Christians this. Are we not grateful to reckon with that every day you run program for Christians more than 20 times? Are we not grateful to reckon with? Eh? Adam Ajuga to do. You know, every mention of Mathias or not a Casaganya. I'm on a good Mathias or Balundo. I'm on a good Mathias or Balundo.
Emotional blackmail call they use.
What is that emotional blackmail? Hanchali with the Imagine ebe ọ nọpụta na wow, Mathias must be a great force to reckon with. Man, every day nọ na page ebe ọ na-ebana Christians, pastors, Nigerian pastors, Christians, pastors, Christianity. Does it mean that we are also a great force to reckon with? That is why you discuss us anywhere you go. Oh no, ebe a na-akpa afa Mathias ọ na-atakasị unu ntị, but you can't make one post without addressing a pastor.
Mathias enweghị ike make sense na any of his content without ịkpa and the pastor. Iwepụ ha n'afọ and the pastor na content Mathias, onwe ozi ọzọ na-ekwu. You can't even ya mepegodo ọnụ kwuo maka Muslim wanda kwa mem video the other day ha mata. Ya mepe ọnụ wanda si na ndị Muslim mere nke a. Ka ya emekwa video ọzọ echi. Mathias machi emi nọ na-eme. Na Eastern region bụ almost Christian, so he's always attacking Christians to gain followers for himself.
Pedro, you are welcome.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Good evening. Good evening, Eziokwu. Ogechi, my sister, good evening. What is that? Okay, my sister, good evening. Why?
Good evening, sir.
My beloved sister. Because of going, come join this life. Because that first, actually, this is one of this guy. I'm the wait time, but in time he's the only person that watch live here because I believe my own. Case Mathias pass go limit and that more I'm from South America, I'm from Brazil. Everybody can go now support you need Eziokwu na eme. And this Eziokwu, this is my brother from Newi. Oh yeah, with the only guy, he was the one that joined my page. He just saw me and joined my page. So since that time he has been supporting my page. Anytime I'll be alive, I comment and I talk. So but today is different life because Ogechi Okeke here. So I decided to, among all these guys, among all these people, my Jpac one Akwa here. I didn't watch a man in the but any of them. Even though Jpac, I could remember last time. Jpac told me when I chatted with him. On him charge of 200,000. Oja solve issue na page. So I laugh on that page. Page him just make ndeba giveaway na communicate ndeba no so watch any or reply him again no block mu so but to my get surprise this my brother Eziokwu I join my page you see I look onye ka okwo in Nigeria so join my page since that time I've been following him and I love what is nwanne asna jisaka na nke na eme amaka biko nwanne m nke na eme amaka raise this ambition here that not get bring in them and all the too small guys you when guys keep us and Zion was shine we don't play with Zion because I want church to be sister with you and my church and I'm able to go that you put that our brother pattern no would like all this straightforward and like people this I got come to Zion once that time all last year in Nigeria so I wanted to see him. Then I tried on my people were saying but they told me that I must stay in queue. That one surprised them. While every people I got you, I don't get this share side but I think 500, 100 because one of those I walk and I say go sharp. But this one I stayed on queue 2-3 days. They make him I have to board my flights coming back to Brazil. But that's not what I'm here. Why I'm here is because of Ikele Godi this my brother Wezu. Then your money. That happened then I come to I'm a whole lot of people there go to that now Gigachon as if if come na say Gigachon I see now body but him all our people that's the fact that's our people for you so I hope I appreciate you Homa Igbo Eziokwu ha like we ba ha na atra ha say ba ha na go asa lekwe nka na turn me upside down so but one he na mama I'm so excited and I'm happy for the way she put that. They make people matter what Mathias is doing. What Mathias only use a hunger na buy as an advantage. You know, only 5,000 or saying 2 million. What you name Mama Hoga join there or communally and don't quite the same all come people for more as long as I'm concerned. You will pay the worker. ya to mepere ya so onye shi obodo oyibo mere ka m if I come back to Nigeria chimepe ụka na mma mmepekwe my own so but ọ ihe nkwobe ya dimenti nkwobe ya before maka nwanne nwaanyị oge nne m biko ama m na ihe Jpac o mere ọ daga ọ na-emetaka ihe daga ememe na asị ka akwụkwọ ya ụgwọ akọntọ ihe o mere onye ọbụla gbagara fim even though this thing na-eme na he's trying all his possible best if as if na ọ meghị feel the atmosphere the hot na-enye ya the hot even though o mechara chi nwunye ya chi dị involve onye ahụ ha patan nwaanyị Igbo be anyị ịfụ na di gị na-enwe issue because oge manya iwe friend to Jpac before then gị na-enwe issue o nwere ihe o mere like then ọ chọghị iri apology then you start giving him woto the wife kwesịrị ịbịa make a peace ọ bụghị ịbịa meme gị attack while ọ together two of them cannot even attack you iwote Jpac nwa wote nwunye ha abụọ join ha together they cannot even bring you down ebe na ihe ndị a ị karị ha abụọ together so ihe nwunye kwesịrị mbata ligo at least ọcha atọ ọgọ ọrịọ gị gị biko ebe ọbụla DS mee ihe ọjọọ gbaghara ihe ndị they just married then nwunye ahụ dị ime gị attack I just watch her video a few days ago m na ma my wife gosi ya my wife just showed me that video na lekwe ihe nwunye Jpac ọ na-ekwu na and ọ na-echi ike onye ọ na-agbakasị ọnụ onye karịa di ya so ụfọdụ nwanne m nwaanyị biko asị m kwuo aga m asị ihe ọbụla Jpac mere gị biko my sister biko gbaghara ama m ihe na-adịghị awụ ihe ebe ọ ga-esi ewute ya ọ na-ewute ya bọtụ gbaghara biko nwanne m nwaanyị ụmụnne gị na-arị ozi gbaghara ya biko ama m na
Pedro o nwere onye dere m sị na Facebook nwere ike inye nsogbu na vidio maka ụmụazị ahụ na-ekwu okwu na background.
Okay, I go to the parlor. I go to parlor. Magana pale mecha. All right. Sorry, my brother. Sorry for that. So system organ them biko dada biko you amam na the guy o meka o pass the limit you can pass kwa ihe onye ahụ oge mmere ji oyi but biko gbaghara were mma gị Peter were mma gị ma ị ga n'ụgbọ Jpac ị karịrị Jpac karịa ihe na-akịrị egwu ihe so ọwụ Jpac ọ gara na Zion gbuo ọ pụta ebe a anụ m oge ọ na-asị na a na-akwụ eze ugo ha ụgwọ ka ha na-esi ya ụgwọ ka a na-akwụ ha na ha tinyere m na playlist a ka akwụkwọ m ụgwọ nwa ebe m na-akwụ ụgwọ Zion nwere ndị ọ na-akwụ ụgwọ so my sister please ana m arịọ biko nwanne m nwaanyị biko for sake of na igosi na gị na ya nọ same level biko nye ka m na-arịọ gị nwanne gị nwaanyị biko.
My brother, I no go leave am o. I no go leave am. Ọ ga-ele otu na ya exam number 1. Ọ ga-abịa gwa ha ebuputere my picture my dad. Number 2, ọ ga-abịa kwuo onye shi na hospital here bupute nna m ka m chụwa the person hapụ ya. Ka m chụwa the person hapụ ya. That person is in a hospital when my dad nwụrụ na COVID. Yes, there a picture. Buru ya bunye ejigba ya wo. Ọ ga-abịa gwa m that person mere ya. Everybody ji wuru mpam ka eji agba edegere na social media. You want to go? So ọ ga-abịa gwa m onye ya gwa ha na m the person ma hapụ the person chụwa ma hapụ ya chụwa the person. You want to go? Ọ ga-abịa gwa m ebe nna m nụrụ rape ụmụ. Ọ ga-abịa gwa m ebe mpa mma m nụrụ gbaa na outside. Ọ ga-abịa gwa m ebe mpa m nụrụ bụọ m ọnụ. Ọ ga-abịa gwa many things o buputere na social media. Number 1, aga m Nigeria o. I'm going to Nigeria. So I'm doing a Nigeria one of my video now share there. I do your exam. Number 1 evidence. So I can complete this exam before I will leave him. So I'm no man now where she all time to examine Ike. All time to examine Ike. I need that result. ASAP. Well, because all I'm gonna accept the challenge. Ne no ka o shire na do na ajụjụ necessary. I want them work out. I won't banese. And you would never wish out. All of us, I want you to know when you walk. So are we again I get me ways in the bani. I walk aside and young ways and also and young ways and then I'm branding ways. I get me for Omuna. What not going to leave them. I am in Nigeria. Hospital, because they make him doctor, and them 250,000 naira for Jpac. So I get the amount of hospital in the now,
another thing, I really understand your pain because that guy up as a limit here. Ezugo because you know na ario oge enwere eke m na like nche iro ga m na oge wuta gị ma nkwuo ya mana ịma na anyị nwa ndị Igbo anya ma ihe anyị nwere ya ndị Jpac ọ kwapụrụ gị iwe and o mere gị iwe iwe ahụ ibi ndị oga ihe eri ị na-achọghị ikwu ihe ekwu ya isi kwuo this area na-eme involve our people that nwụrụ anwụ. Okay, that particular area with them too much. I'm yes, when someone provoke Ogi, you will get any length you with that person.
My brother, I actually resurrected that name again. Oga about that name. So I have to bring back the name again into the picture.
Okay.
Only watch if others mention the name.
All right. Thank you very much.
The name again.
Okay. Ezugo, Ademo, I will not vote Abraham. So Adam, so happy. Yeah, isn't the guy about Jpac? Yes, because but I get resolve all one and one. Manabiko, everyone also involved that Biko. And then I'm already in 2 days ago because people don't like that was 2 days ago. All the when I go buy
the background to get a noise in a make the thing in a make a noise. I don't know.
Okay. I didn't don't worry. Okay, outside this Ugo.
Okay, Weibo channel. Okay.
Yeah, so
my brother, I have a page. You got to can them mad follow no again.
Okay. Pedro TV. Pedro TV. I watch live every day. I magic comment. Can they buy not very much too much?
Okay, Pedro follow me now. Follow me.
I'm not watch live every time. My wife and I watch live. My wife and I live every
time.
Yeah, man.
Because when you're not about my work will be married, or be actually social media.
Good evening, everybody. I want to actually Kubiko. Sorry. Good evening, Chege. Good evening, ma.
There was
my brother.
Imana Mboku Anunga video. Sorry to go back. Mboku Abidon video Biabame Mecha video had alarm block or Bomilo. Agwam Asahana. This issue should have been resolved. Mbona escalated like this, and it's very easy to resolve. Humble yourself and tender apology, even if you cannot provide only that picture. Tender apology is very easy to resolve. At least in Kahaga, Yotana. So ask Kabaga Sebia or go at that fault because as bad, somebody must succumb before Okwanu Ebi. Somebody must beg, and you that started it should be the one to end it first. Unayota oh hengwa hadalum buwe milo since to amogo. So back to this guy Nwarate Gangano but I know what he to be before but I actually media no on a personal problem with Governor Eziokwu.
According to him, also no meeting before concerning problem when they visited Abuja with Jpac. When we got on Nandekano, but that was in 2022, if I'm not mistaken. So Hakushiva Kurumba, it ended that time. Then based on Nanyama was in a Facebook now. Who was there about Mathias and into Mathias Ezeaku Emete? That was what triggered Governor Eziokwu into a potential broadcast about him. I don't know the connection between Governor Eziokwu and the Mathias Ezeaku.
achọgo m connect the dot mgbe m fụ that video. Nsị onwere this boy onwebu ihe ha ma behind the scene before onwebugo unu. Because now it's been a long time for that guy. I've that guy anywhere around him before or joining his live video before in any form. So why all of a sudden okwu ka dị okwu si bido ka o si wee ka ebe unu nọ? Mana nke this guy bịa put post na mgbede asị ihe ọbụla melia si jide the man responsible. So for okwu ilu like that, which means na onwego okwu ekwulu that warranted that.
Ọ gwara ya na ọ emeghị disappear na mmadụ agha afọ ebe ọ nọ.
No mekwana gịnịkwana, that's the problem. No mekwana abazi into bully somebody ka ọ gịnị ka if you learn na ihe emenwu mmadụ ihe emewu ya ihe ka ọ gịnị. How that boy can chọbụ iju that thing before ka mmadụ onwe ihe na-esele ha before. Ọ bụrụ na the boy meet gị for help before meeting Mathias. Okay, unu resolve why before he went to Mathias. Ọ na osigo n'aka Mathias, but ya abụghị okwu mee since 2022. Ihe nọ n'ime ya almost 2025 ka nọ n'ime now. What is really the problem?
The problem wụ na the guy pụtara kwuo na ife Mathias na-eme adịghị mma. Now the only crime ọ committed.
Governor na bụ otu mkpu Mathias.
I don't know. They are now confusing me every day by day. They are confusing me every day by day. Onye nke ya wee ndị ọda na-eme program ife ya ada anọwụ ndị ụka ajụgo nye ugboro ole ọmụmụ ka ị na-agọ wee jee na chọọchị ka emee wedin. So ndị ụka ị na-akpọ amaghị m ife ndị ụka mere but iwe onye ụka because you wedded in a church. So ị na-akpọzi ndị ụka amaghị m na ntị oge we onye ụka ka esugo we onye ụka ka ngụnwa we onye ụka ịghọtago.
Nna afụka m vidio kongudida mekwulu mgbọsị a nsị na dị ndị a na-achị divert attention to the bone of contention. Anyị nwere bone of contention dị on ground, so they should not ịghasa brain na buba anya ebe anyị na-kwesịrị ịnọ n'ihi na ha ihe na a na-eme nkịta a na-ebigharị aka ka ha mmalụ ebe anyị ekwedo aka wee distract ya ndị mmadụ. Ọ ha na-eme ihe anụnwa. So ịbịakọbịa bulukwa Mathias ọ bụlọkwa n'okwu mmadụ na-erifil si na ihe mmadụ mere ya na mmadụ na-ejebulu onye ozi decide asị na ihe onye a na-eme n'ọlachi and started speaking against it. Ngwa kwụtapụta na-agba the guy war for speaking his mind. Onye nwụzia in silent.
Meanwhile, that is the same thing ha na-accuse I of. Ịghọtago?
And anụ ka that guy asị na ha nọ na WhatsApp group.
Igbo channels ewe n'iwe. I want to address somebody in 1 minute. Ejike 3 times ka m kpọrọ. It is so sad how you have reduced yourself to nothing. Is it not clear to you that you have just reduced yourself from where you are to zero? Whatever made you to reduce yourself to this level of emptiness is what I don't understand. It's what I don't understand. This is a guy who told you that na Governor Eziokwu threatened you and a voice note. No way, voice note evidence. You are here asking me, does he have any proof that he's just looking for emotional blackmail? And so what? If he needs money and he come to us to give him money and I feel like giving him money, are you going to beat me? Is it your money? I can give my money to anybody I want to give it to. The same way Mathias will emotional blackmail, we can decide to also contribute money for this one. It's none of your business. Ani Igbo yetiwu unu n'ife unu na-eme mana unu agba unu chere mmadụ ka unu na-eme. Ani Igbo yetiwu unu n'ife niile unu na-eme. Jovi ga-enye gị 50,000 jee nuku isi n'ala. Jee narị that money Jovi ka nyere ya. Ndị ụchụ. Unu ya amachi eziokwu mmanụ ma ude eziokwu ihu n'ala. Look at the topic we are discussing here. You are feeling so much ashamed to talk about it. Yeah? The question should be rather educate this guy or committing any crime by coming out to tell Mathias Nipo the Madroma. If you educate can come out to tell pastors that Nipo had a Madroma and you feel that we were right. Can you deny this guy right? What if Mathias Ezeaku? If you can come out and say that na Christianity merunka menka, what will stop this guy from coming out also to say that ife ndomena na busa Eziokwu na-eme na ọdụrụ? If you are a former Christian before, because I'm not okay, Ezugo, can you pick me? I want to ask you something. Let me block you from this page.
Ezugo, my brother. It's hard time. It's hard time you start bringing them up, if possible.
No. That guy. If people are saying reply to me, or when the guy on a page, I think now ignore it. So now, as I was saying,
when to Mathias on a comment section, he go that I go that. How join the life? Okay, let us educate them more, because what they are practicing is not our culture. We know our culture.
My brother,
all the parties in my pocket here. But my own is like this. Like I said before, he can do whatever he wants. But Naga like we call 5,000 Naga convince and then when he oh whatever 2,000 Naga convince and then when he that one now he's trying to pass limit. My brother, everybody is entitled to worship what he wants. Ichi won't your men like don't your men Ichi Christian Ichi because everybody who have short time in this world, we can never forever. But not making sense. So now we must stop Mathias. So because I cannot at a phone when you're now. You can never 2,000 naira because I don't know I'm agree too much now. Hunger every year. Then if you send them money, then they can say now with 5,000 Apple church. Join nominal. Meanwhile, when you join the nominal, all quite the same thing now because I'm going to put it now. Nominal, I don't know what type nominal. The opposite on the place, Germany. So if they want to come, if anyone none at this platform tonight, yeah, only when that what actually is the get data. You join their life, make any do education. You can practice what you want. You're entitled to practice what you want, but don't try to convince others in a wrong way. What is too bad? I don't agree with that one.
Na emotional blackmail ka o ji abịa ịbịa nara ego because na ha atụọnara ego before. Jpac na gọvanọ Eziokwu lie na ndị Zion mịa ha chụchụrụchụ mịa akụ Zion chi mịkọ ego dị ya n'akpa ha wee pụta taa akwụ eriwe ha nwa na-eprotect ha na-edifend fa anyị na-agwafa na ndị a wee ego ka ha chọwara enye ohe ego ha wee pụtakwa ịghọtago ha wee pụtakwa ka ha bịakwasa ide emi wee bịakwa Samson ugwu ị na-alụ obu unu taa amaghị m na your mom ka your father ka ihe ebu ụzọ fụ mana onye ọ achọghị m ịkpọ onye ihe ebu ụzọ fụ afa ife ide elu m ebe a don't forget to tell it the first person ị ya-afụ na ị na-alụ achọghị m ime onye ibu ụzọ fụ before I brought
if you go ndị na-asị bring ya up ka educate him if you go have as long as that thing now as long as that thing abụrụ ihe ha chọrọ enu they will always kick against it. They will always kick against it. Just check one day, take your time, go to Igwe Credo page. If they are not fighting Igwe Credo because Igwe Credo they are fighting Igwe Credo because Igwe Credo now support on ha hate. Igwe Credo like on ha hate. The same Igwe Credo go say no when the influencers say na ha chọ kere ntele ho no wala ho ogwo no binye ha moto but ala ha celebrity say they are all ka we promote ya a brand. Igwe Credo kulia na video ya mana all these people but you obuna na they would like ka make deaf ear to it ka na ya be ha be important. This young man I na-ekwu okwu ya na mgbada this rate gang when Bobia mepose na a religion crisis pụta na ani Igbo asi jide Mathias responsible ha amanya ka ha fụrụ ya nna chido sada boy ka asị na ihe ọ na-ekwu adịrọ important. Ọ bụrụ na onye otu ha nye this guy 50,000 enyere ya kịta the whole Facebook ama nnu ihe the whole Facebook ama na mana na-eke reverend pụta nye the guy 50,000 mechie ọnụ nke ahụ gaa mana papa ha na-aga everyday na-enye mmadụ ego even na onye na-achọrọ ịnala ego ọfọsụ aka ka ịnara 10,000 amụrụ ya mụọ 10,000
is very very bad. All is too bad.
Even this guy kwukwara not 10,000 ka o nyere ya so nwere ike pụta budget 100,000 out of ego nata ndị mmadụ si na eji 100,000 na win 100 souls or 10 souls to his people using emotional blackmail. Ịchọzi ikwu ekwu echi asị gị na-enye gokwa ya ego na-enwekwukwa ego enye gị ewele ya taa ya gị down ị na-anwụ every day on a branch. Every day on a branch. Kezi he di chenya na church. Kezi he di chenya na church.
The fact remains that our people are very, very far from reality. Because the problem I want as in the Igbo, our church, that is one thing people don't understand.
But ndị na-agwakwa na-achọkwa ndị
no church problem. Church akwonye ji ego aga na church gata collection. Akwonye ji ego aga nye tithe. Some people ahụ bediri ndị mafu ga-enye tithe. Onye ọbụla mana problem anyị nwere na by government alala that place n'iyi. But
even the tithe is not by force. But
they have never even one day cross our border. Sometimes my brother, I think it's unfortunate, honestly. Problem when I go church, somebody may pray church, yeah. Then I go and church guy there. Yani church here got that place. Then I beg the church. Somebody see account, see it ego. All we like it ego. Then Mathias just raised a lot with the agent here. They're pursuing church people, church, oh, beginning Zion, Zion, a bagger a few more. Olaga.
Ona hapu on Zion aka.
So you
hapu be Zion aka, or hapu be Zion, or can I alu echi.
Ndara choka isi nwaanyị nnukwu okwu.
Mba, biko hapụ ya ọnwa ya na-ewe kesi. Ọ bụrụ na kesi a ebi by examination and apology. That's the only thing you have to case.
Pendocha, you look at Odoka, Jpac is with that picture.
It's been a long time I've been on social media, right?
Yes.
The bank Biafra na lawyer. Then when a lot of Biafra members, that time in Puluru out, I pop, but Puluru out. Then when a lot of people that doesn't like me, you want to go, and then Jpac has on the Biafra, so the IPOP. You want to go? So that time I pulled out, they started attacking me. Then I had to defend myself. You want to go? So and when a lot of people enemy already. You want to go? By then they were Biafra. So I can't because I had joined I can the Palace of Justice. What because Tiana will only get with Ogechi. All they want is somebody get with so behind joining the can the Palace of Justice. The grandmasters in the annual will Jpac in the Palace of Justice. Now Jpac and Abama word that Imam they create content and be up to me okay like my show came back to Kahu here, what all they are, Tom, you know, Tom, now. This thing everybody they may now stand up, look. Jpac can bring my content. Kenya won't one. Kenya was shower. I'm not walking ocean mail. Banko the Jpac. My man see Jpac media on Banko on the page. And every day this guy I'm not gonna know, you know. So people are being brought to my attention. She don't radio that. Oh, one day she in a Palace of Justice. So when somebody they follow her, not na this place. Oh no log one my dad in on one. You want to go? Oh, now he said which is violation, which is actually but when I didn't file that petition here. How come that a lot of people are wrong? That if I can get somebody with the picture, that is how the person I cannot to Soglia license here. First and foremost, man has to at the hospital. So how like a mother I just made somebody accused. And a lot of patients and a lot of workers now are here. Now with that particular person who said a picture send outside. What does it mean? So before I happen to Jpac, there are many things any day iron. So you and the man I say, okay, I'm doing it. They are talking rubbish. Now you go get tired because I will not. So I got no man look how he made the place Hana Chomacho. Yawrupa Bagama Naga Jpac to Laya. Wow, one from my man. So I don't know. I'm
Oh, kiss that, but kiss that we are not touching. Kiss that we
I beg you, mother.
Ọbụrụ na ngana na ike ya mma ya maka mkpọ ya ụda ezi kpọ ka ndị budu si asị ya ndị bayi si asị ya sorry ya ma na mma ya ma nga anaghị ahụ o wee wepụta ike ya so azị onye ahụ kọpụrụla one of my enemy kọpụrụziri picture ahụ sendara Jpac ji pụta ji ya gba ọgwụkwa naanị picture ka ọ postụrụ Jpac pụtara live program like this my father na-agba m wụọ my father on the phone ahụ that phone emebiela ọ dịnyere na mmiri because I saved that video. Even at that time I'm a face go in the palace of they face many group they all go the minor case but they to man ho pala ya ho ni Igbo Akwa you want to go e nwere ndị banye na wash nwata eru tụwa hegburu nna ya eme gị gbuo ya mgbe ahụ erube meju because mgbe ahụ be yiri efe agụ yiri shi agụ na nyana this thing na-anya n'olu na-ekwu ka original ndị bashi na onye ke mbịa chụma ya na ya dịka na m achụzi ebe ma hapụgodi ya so erula m na ashi nwere ihe ogbu nwata mgbe ntụ na-atọ ya ugbu ọ sị na ya relax na ya lụla nwaanyị that is when I came after him so people are na-eke hapụzie ya na asị mana ajụ Jpac ọkamnwe ego Jpac ọkamnwe investment Jpac ọwụ citizen enwere nwa Jpac iwu citizen Jpac ọkadị gas school Jpac ọkadị m nwe amanụ m ihe m jebere Jpac jealousy I am revenging on what somebody did to me kena ya ọmụ na nke a ahụ jealousy Jpac pụtara na ndị sayon planere inye ndị mmadụ poison ọ chọrọ ichi people asụ ụtọ so onye ọla collectiri ego from Jpac be defend ya ma wọrọ gị you go to collect them ịghọtago God is really can hapụ gị face ya onye nchọrọ ifesi my target wo to that Jpac and with any other thing ịghọtago so even for us target my call to that gị ga-apụta nụ ịghọtala enwe onye nwere cost to settle so many ihe ọ na-akwụrụ n'ụgwọ ọ na-agbagharị inside the bus shinu ya onye ụmana na nyere ya picture nna m ya bupute ya ebe ahụ ọ nọrọ ya ahụ datị ndị Zion chọrọ poison onye a poison over ya bupute mụ na onye obodo nọ na court na I just speak to you now over 1 billion naira m sula ya akwaghị ka the thing ewesiri ya ego so I'm ready for all of them onye obodo beba bupute this wanted list I sued him mụ na ya nọ na go and ask him so all these things I'm ready for them anyhow the cats go they cost you money so anybody put on every day sheni onye nyere ya picture nna m ya bịa bụ unu ya gwa o ji chempa m gbawo so onye unu na-ebe a ga-eti mega ana meme Jpac oji ego ole Jpac oji ego ole kama ndị Igbo anyị ụmụ nwoke ndị na-ata eri ọnụ na-abụ onwe ha asụ ga-apụta Jpac what is the problem ihe butere osomokwu a ha ikwu ya Ogechi na kparị mmadụ Ogechi biko kwụsị so okay iri ọmụ biko na nkwụsị ihe ka na-ebu ọkwụsịna let everybody begin to see the ebe mmiri chibaa n'opi ụgbọgụrụ ya ka people na-ajụ m ihe ya dịka Ogechi adụ no I no go leave Jpac number one akwasị nweta evidence m nọ n'ime otula ya number one ọ ga-eme Eziokwu because I get evidence. Okay, evidence number one start from Ike ya and you ebido there all my number one evidence
Okay, too funny. The fact still remains that first time, frankly speaking, first time one the motive of your movement. Frankly speaking, I'm from Kinaba and don't give back in a Holding back. It's all this while you're on your own. I'm not target in nature. In nature, you want a bundle idea. So, but all this, with all the things from you tonight, that is show that Jpac still have a long things to do. You want to check at this issue. resolve or he can find so those people that followed him.
Apart from that, that guy is so annoying.
Sorry,
That guy is so annoying. So even they would take carry chamo afas nete fanyuba Jpac because of normal Jpac no wa onya batara fe juwe ba no dey fa so nya na would take carry cham e what go otherwise you came out on Facebook and I could ndị mmadụ isi ọnụ ekuru onye isi ọnụ ya na onye ananụ ikuru onye akụkọ onye isi ọnụ ya na onye ananụ ikuru onye akụkọ onye isi ọnụ. How do people enjoy living their life like that? You came out to apologize to onye obodo and ndị imejọrọ nọrụkwa ebe ahụ na-akọsụkwa another commotion. Ịghọtago? You are there to apologize to ndị imejọrọ. Nọrụkwa ebe ahụ ị na-emekwa that same apology na-akọsụkwa another commotion banye sịkwa nọ ndị ụka dị n'ihu gobia ma ife imere. You are apologizing to these people. You want to cause another fracas with ndị na-apologize to with ndị ọzọkwa who live life like that. Onye na-ebi that kind of life.
Una no dey know my anger. Una no dey maybe this that one stand above mmadụ nọ. Imanga problem ashi bido. O putara bia mgba obodo less man biara ya ihe this wedding here. I don't have any problem if you want to make peace with your amulets man. It's none of my business. The thing is, why are you adding that? Ndoka yuzurugi, ndoka dirigi ke wote ya amulets man ke buo, ndoka dirigi ke wote the lost bleaching sun ke buo, ndoka mereginka. Did you return all the money ndoka nyeregi? Okay, anye kwela then return the money. Then you get make it peace, Siki. Own up to your bullshit because how I go, Meregi, that go ahead, go again. Like that one, I'm a social person, she am all over me, home, I go back there, go collect ammo. Because he talks, he only again, I know one secret, I go to tell you what you know, and about there. He talks carelessly. Oh, what are no fucking secrets? Young boy, I give you nothing for the. I get to one more. I not from out of no new pool. My boy, I want you when I met her. I got 1 yen. That's how I will reduce 1 yen. What I was sharing, I was sympathy, sending me. I don't feel so many cars, sympathy, sending me. Tell my hotel away. So I can also summon him there. Go get joy on your book. How about that? Now, if you have your people, yes, now, Nanda Zion, but I get you to do natural kids, your points in Nanda. This thing you're looking for, you get it all. Oh, Imaro,
I know that video because I watched it on your news that time.
Go and watch his apology video to Obodolesi.
You watch that apology video now.
Watch his apology video that started the whole problem.
The video have just
no, go and watch it.
Because although I'm important.
Go and watch it if an accused, not even only that. Yeah, me video in the middle of video, yeah. Yeah, they may accuse and actually with the poison there. Get the dirigi when and where.
When he for accusable, and I am undone.
This is what started the Second World War between me
also honor with that address be mother address arrest. Why no Ogechi Okeke now suggest all those things?
How can you?
Yeah,
I don't come aware of.
He was the person getting arrest of all these people. He was the one who wanted to use some people go away more personal or now the same thing back on in the other way around now.
All of them like this wagri and boom wine before you make contact. This wagra before you make content you boost or go to that woman na one there that wagra na one there yeah put on only 500,000 got collecting. Stay your lane because Jpac want to use you get decoration because they want it. I didn't call you. You started to want to defend what you know now about. Don't put this idiot coming in and then I'm ready. Facebook. I know monetize my page. I know they make money. Trouble I like. Trouble can I know they each one moment again. Simple. You cannot come, Gishina, you know, when I discuss such thing with the Jpac. Can you tell me that? You know who yeah, they're going to know what school to be able to but on a threat and talk about up to the day before yesterday. This Neki Henke Neki. While the animal about the war. Then a threat to me Daisy. Because him and Onyeka the weak. You look for the weaker vessels. You cannot challenge on your record again. It's again. I'm going to give a channel. I'm going to go to the page. I'm going to go.
Atakulugo mi na nka ahụ egosigo m ya
naga balaga n'ihe me na chọrọ ọ chọrọ onye ọbụla bịa lụtara ya his dents
mba
ọ chọrọ onye nka and he can lie. This guy can lie.
Asọ tukpodo menju ebe amele a video gosi ya na ihe niile na-ekwu about
he can lie just to make sure that he I mean, asking about the TV. Now you are going here chicken.
Asọ tukpodo m ha chefuzie na mụnwa bịakwa dị dị abịa be elu na mgbe nwa Mr. Ibu nwere problem. Anọ m dia. Anọ m that very day so mụnwa witness m ihe niile emelụnụ. So nwere ha ya call na that station that day them surprise. So any day ha do that the ready ku Eziokwu ha pụta ku Eziokwu.
Thank you. Ha be na to asị. Itu chasi as Ogechi because I am a woman. Una chi suppress mkambe chisi ọnụ. Una pụta unu ga-eme nka. Unu ka
onye ga suppress nkwene gị that is one thing about ka onye nke ọwụ the fact ndị nọ Jpac very close need ịgwa ya that na ọlụgo nwaanyị na so need at least ịtara na adịtụnsi ya kwuru onwe ya eziokwu because nye okomeko na this iru akwụkwọ dị too much nkomeko Jpac
okonukọcha apụta kịta obere akwa chọba ndị ọya eburu ebo n'isi
problem bido kwanụ amakwa most times apụta send the enemy has some
okomeko ndị pastọ okomeko ndị nọ aka na yasu okomeko ndị nọ na home agala other people gwa gị na Jpac gabiga sef ị ga-eti mkpu and the worst part would have na at least o nweta contact nweta ndị ọ na-emere advert nweta ndị ọ na-erere moto so ụfọdụ na o kwesịrị ikulu down this issue ya na Ogechi ya na onye nwa kwesịrị iwe ka ọma na onye man ka ọwụ o take not n'ikpe ịkpọ oge mgbaghara sị ya dada biko gbaghara ama m na-emego m ihe ọjọọ ebe m na-emeghego nke ama m na-epụtago m pichọ ndị ekwesịghị ịpụta we are all human being but ọ ka na-ekele mụta na-adụ ndị ụka
iwe m ewu ọwụ dịka ndị ka ahụ ihe ndị ewuzi ihe ndị m na-echetara ya o mere m iwe m ewu why come telling people that ndị Zion shigi onye ndị akpọta enye poison owebi ihe ejidiri bido hapụgodi ndị nna remind ya na o mere m ebe iwe m nọ you left us in peace why are you coming to use anyị na-azụ ụtọ in lies ịmachi nkuko bido ye ndị nkuto like mmadụ na mmadụ lụwa ọgụ echete ihe mere ni I'm only reminding people what he did to me. What did the gun contention ọ pụtara na video ya mgbe o megara obodo less man apology tụkịta anya chi na anyị chi ya kpọta ndị a lekwenya ọkwa this guy nobody told him to do anything o will be problem mgbe ka m ji chewote the things o mere na mụ that ekwesịrị m iji ya destroy ya agwụla ya leave Zion alone because o tii batara Zion ime pụọ ihe olikwu people che na ọwa eziokwu dan onye abatara it was everywhere no that Zion lost song. It was everywhere no because if that guy came out, maybe the people that Akwa won Zion. Now over the video that means Ebuko na this person had the number. She's on what is she do? So that he will send the red signal right away. Other side, I will not feel no bad. But you coming from an inside, like somebody I stand there, nah. Okay, we got passing at that Zion. Okay, you can matter how powerful anything. Ya check is the outcome. Next time, you have to know something. Get who you stay away. How be one na that person. Eziokwu now, but now about to me. People get believe we are more than anybody. Because more than
Yes.
Ah, this is my uncle who Ogunishina Putana. People can show you Ogechi about we have one about but when insider start telling a story, something occurred. That means you're telling the fucked up truth. So I don't go into that narrative. Yeah, this is Eziokwu. Eziokwu. Stop lying against people because you want to seek favor. The same favor, if you're about to get that kind of just seek it from us. Why your life would be too complicated? Why can't you stand one place and speak the truth? Not to Ariashi. However, when people are there, but the team let people state the facts. Military ban of people. It's not the problem. Jpac is the problem. Jpac is not the
onye ona aghọtaghọ no Jpac wu problem wunde otu Mathias ya chọrọ hide na azụ Jpac ka ha wee mewe origori ọsọsọ ha wụ onye agbọghọ n'ọnyịnya and ọ na-enjoy bonu company ha ọbara na-ele ọkụ na ha mmanụ ọsị na ahụ amake ịghọtago it's not as if na ha amahọ ebe mmiri si wee ba na opi gbọgọ the guy is very manipulative. The guy is very manipulative. If you go to watch him manipulate mmadụ niile ka onye ọ na feel wey pity. Yeah? But he knows what he's doing. Okay, look at Zion First Son ekwu n'okwu. A caution wire. Mụnwa mee video. Ife ọzọ otu wiri na ka o wee confuse ọgba Zion First Son owo. Not because of na Zion First Son and not because of na MC Hallelujah. Na Zion First Son bịa wedding there. No, nya kpatara ndị mmadụ ji wee tọọ n'we against them. Gbakere m ife wedding ihe mmeru. Gbakere m ife wedding ihe mmeru to do with ife gwara MC Hallelujah.
Well, I don't blame him because MC Hagre gave him the opportunity to speak. So I don't blame him. What do you mean? Because actually when you don't give rooms, people will not understand the mission. So he has every right to hold anything to climb. Because Jpac will not have right to open mouth to talk rubbish. So I blame Gahomea. Again, salutation is not love. When you good morning. People like my Hebrew Nobi, but anytime he kill a good morning, how are you? You actually good morning, how are you? How are you? Hey, long time I haven't seen. But already he kill back and catch nothing will come into it. So okay, good morning, Jpac, how are you? What I go? So yeah, with the thing. So I with the thing, I blame him, Jep. Also, Jpac now, bagare. If Jpac making porn, now maybe his aga may be you. I will circumcise Jpac.
Oh.
I will promise him.
Why?
Brother, sorry to overtalk you. Go ahead. Sorry.
Good evening, ma. Good evening, ma. Good evening, sir.
Legit, you are welcome.
Yeah. Auntie Ogie, I greet you, ma. Good evening. How your side?
Good evening, sir.
No, now watch it came with extend the request. Akuko Jpac akarịa n'iru akwụkwọ eziokwu. Akuko Jpac akarịa mana ebe ọ nọ wee mistake n'ime ife nye na-abụ ịrapụ nwunye ya ka nwunye ya bịakwa tinye ọnụ na datin.
I like mgbe ahụ o ji kwuo okwu ka ndị mmadụ mata onye ọ lụrụ. O nwere brain. Unu ekwula na unu regret ya. I like it.
Okay. Well, akwụkwọ asịkwa m kwuo because abụrọ m gị nwa mana asịkwa m kwuo ama asị ka like the other of our brother kpu okpu
Mana ayokwa gị sị gị gbagalụ. Mana ọkwara akụkọ m ka mụ asị gị gbagalụ because ife mere emeela. Mana Jpac ọ nwụrụ ụdị mmadụ ọrụ otogo nsobere n'iru akwụkwọ. He speak from the both side of his mouth. Ọ dịghị eme ka nwoke. Nwoke bụ isi ime ife ịkwụrụ one side mana nọ ibe ka ịkwụ. Ọ bụrụ ekwukata ebe a. All of a sudden gbafeta ebe a. Na-akọs very confusion. One thing not the good that bụ ijikọta isi mmadụ na-abụ kpakọọ ha na-abụ ọnụ azụ na ọkpakọọ ya ọ gabakwa. O jikọta isi ndị mmadụ abụọ ọkpakọọ ha ọnụ. It's not good. But ọ bụrụkwa mmụọ mmasị gị nga hapụ that guy because ọ dị na ka ọ ya adị. Ọ dịgo ka ọ ya adị. Ọgwa ihe mmụọ chọrọ ikwu. Ọ bụrụ na ị ga-arafụ ya ịrafụ ya gbaghara ya just nke ahụ aga. Because all committee and it's not helping the matter. It's not helping the matter.
Okay, thank you very much, brother. Thank you very much. Hello. I'm maybe the guys who will say and okay. I'm maybe the guys who will muta bundle of confusion now. The other go, I don't know. Okuko si onye isi ọnụ. 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 Ka esi ụzọ ọwụ na ịhọ mpama. Kedu ife Jpac ya emenwu anyị na ọwụ na ịhọ mpama. Na only talk you fit talk, you can't do Jpac anything. Gụnụ ka ọ na-emenwu anyị. No be only talk you dey talk. You never collect enough woto were akpagharị eji achọ ndị ya enyere ya aka. Onye ejere achọ ndị ya enyere ya aka wee nụ ọgụ okụtara. You can't do Jpac anything. Ụnụpụta ụna ahịa nọkọta gwa mmadụ na ife ị na-eme adụrọ mma. Gwa mmadụ na ife ị na-eme na ọ dụrọ mma ụna ahịa eme. Biko, I have to end this broadcast now. Something came up. Tomorrow is another day. Ụbọchị taa amaala anyị ma signing out.